Hi there, everybody. Let's correct the exercises together, right? Yes. Let's go. Look, what lesson is this? This is lesson 66A, exercises. Very good. Exercise number 1, answers. Do you believe in rules? Do you believe in rules? Yes, I do. Se você for rebelde, você vai dizer no, I don't. Who must respect the rules? Everybody must respect the rules. Everybody. Porque se for só para uns, não é democracia, porque democracia é, acima de tudo, igualdade. Então, as rules têm que ser, they must be the same for everybody, right? Everybody must respect the same rules, right? Yes. Does Bob follow the rules? Does Bob follow the rules? Yes, he does. Or, a gente pode usar uma palavrinha que a gente já conhece antes, né? According to Tina, he doesn't. Né? De acordo, né, com a Tina, according to Tina, he doesn't. Lembra que ela fala? Not really. A professora não pergunta, do you respect the rules? E o Bob diz, I do. A Tina diz, not really. Não, na verdade não, né? Not really. Não, não é bem assim. When does he ride his bike on the sidewalk? He hardly ever rides his bike on the sidewalk. Né? Ele diz, I hardly ever do it. Only when there isn't a bike lane. Não é? Ele não diz isso. Only when there isn't a bike lane. When there isn't a bike lane. All right. Does Tina's dad know how to drive? Yes, he does, right? Does John know how to drive? Yes, he does. How well does he drive? He drives very well. All right, very well. Now, exercise number 2, questions. He drives very well. How well does he drive? E se eu digo, he drives every day? How often does he drive? Né? Every day não é uma frequência, todo dia. De vez em quando, toda manhã, a cada 2 semanas, é uma frequência, certo? Então, how often does he drive? Right? He drives every day, very often. All right? He drives frequently. Ó, frequently, frequentemente, é a mesma coisa, né? How often does he drive? Or, when does he drive? Né? Se você colocou um ou outro, tudo bem, os dois estão válidos. Her grandma rarely drives. How often does her grandma drive? Ou, when does her grandma drive? Rarely drives. She rarely drives. Quer dizer, almost never. Né? Quase nunca. Almost never. Rarely. Raramente. Right? Their mom drives slowly, calmly, and carefully. How does their mom drive? How do you drive? I drive slowly. I drive carefully. I drive calmly. I drive quickly. That's how, right? Como que eu dirijo? How? How does their mom drive? She drives slowly, calmly, and carefully. All right. The same exercise, right? Exercise number 2. Their dad drives very quickly. How does their dad drive? He drives very quickly. Tudo bem, você pode ter colocado aqui uma pergunta de opção, né? Does their dad drive very quickly or very slowly? Her dad drives very quickly. Também tá certo. Yes, agora é uma pergunta fechada, né? Yes, she cooks better than she drives. Does she cook better than she drives? Yes, she cooks better than she drives. Yes, she is much better at cooking. Is she better at cooking? Yes, she is much, much better at cooking. Muito melhor, right? She is much better at cooking. No, their dad hardly knows how to cook. Does their dad know how to cook? No, é uma pergunta fechada também, né? No, their dad hardly knows how to cook, né? Quase não sabe, quase não sabe, o sabe pouquíssimo, hardly knows, né? Pouquíssimo. Yes, mom prefers cooking to driving. Does mom prefer cooking to driving? Yes, mom prefers cooking to driving. No, she doesn't even need a recipe. Does she need a recipe? No, she doesn't even need a recipe. Ela nem mesmo, né? Ela nem mesmo precisa de receita. She doesn't even need a recipe. Number 3, I know how to very well. Então, olha, o verbo to drive slowly. I know how to drive slowly. Molinho, molinho esse exercício. Fala a verdade, desde mão beijada. Mom ought to cook deliciously. Lembra? Delicious. The food is delicious. Deliciously. Deliciosamente. Huh? Mom knows how to cook deliciously. To drive fast. Dad knows how to drive fast. Lembrando que o fast não fala fastly, né? Fala fast. Se quiser usar o li, precisa ser o quick, certo? To dance beautifully. They know how to dance beautifully. To act honestly. We know how to act honestly. É agir honestamente, certo? To work quietly. He knows how to work quietly. To speak slowly. She knows how to speak lowly. Lowly. Também o lowly também é usado como pejorativo de uma pessoa, uma posição muito baixa, tá? Uma posição muito baixa de vida mesmo, na vida. Então, né? É isso aí. Number 4. How do they do it? Ó, how do they do it? Aqui é para usar os adverbs of manner. Né? De que forma eles fazem? Como eles fazem? O it é alguma coisa, alguma atividade, né? How do they do it? I know how to drive. How do you do it? Né? Como é que você, em vez de perguntar como é que você dirige, eu posso perguntar como é que você faz isso? Faz isso o quê? Dirigir, certo? Então, o it está substituindo para não repetir. Mom ought to drive slowly. Mom drives slowly. Como é que ela dirige? How does she do it? How does she drive? She drives slowly. Grandma to eat calmly. How does she eat? Grandma eats calmly. Ela come calmamente, right? to walk carefully. Grandpa walks carefully. Né? Como é que o grandpa, how does grandpa walk? He walks carefully. Ele caminha cuidadosamente, né? Why does he walk carefully? Why? Because he doesn't want to fall. All right. Ele não quer cair, né? Por isso que ele anda cuidadosamente. He doesn't want to fall. All right. Very good. Now, continue. Let's continue with exercise number 3. Our teachers ought to speak quickly. Our teachers. E aqui, ó, tá vendo? O professor também erra, ó. Ó, foi a conjugação da terceira pessoa. Our teachers são teachers, então não pode. Nossos professores fala rapidamente. Erro meu, né? Erro meu, tá vendo? Por isso que eu digo, não esquenta de errar, que todo mundo erra. Alright? Então vamos corrigir aqui agora. Ó, alright, let's continue. Our teachers speak quickly. How do they speak? They speak quickly. Alright. Do they speak slowly? No, they don't. How do they speak? They speak quickly. All right. How do they dance? They dance well. All right. Do they dance well? Yes, they do. How do they dance? They dance well. How does she talk? She talks gently. Gently, gentilmente. Gently. Does she talk gently? Yes, she does. How does she talk? She talks gently. All right. How do you act? You act selfishly. Ó, selfish é egoísta, né? Selfishly, egoístamente. How do you act? You act selfishly. Aham. Exercise number 4, how often? Com que frequência, né? How often? How often does he ride his bike on the sidewalk? He never rides his bike on the sidewalk. Very good. How often do you cook? I hardly ever cook. Aqui precisa ser I, porque não é uma pergunta genérica, né? Como é que as pessoas cozinham? Não, a pergunta é como é how often do you cook? Né? Com que frequência you cook? All right? I hardly ever cook. How often do they take a shower? Frequently. They frequently take a shower. Or they take a shower frequently. Também pode. All right? Frequentemente. At least once a day. Right? Perfect. How often do you take a taxi? How often do you take a taxi? Ó, olha a resposta aqui, ó. Tá errado aqui de novo, errei de novo, né? Porque aqui, ó, how often do you? Aposto que vocês fizeram certo, né? How often do you take a taxi? I rarely take a taxi. Eu raramente, né? I rarely take a taxi. How often do you take a taxi? I rarely take a taxi. Right? Perfect. How often does he wash his car? He seldom washes his car. Seldom. É rarely, tá? É raramente. Seldom é rarely. All right? He seldom washes his car. Very good. Deixa a chuva lavar, né? Aí que tá. Exercise number 5. Sentences. Word order. Very, our, well, dad drives. Our dad drives very well. All right. Não dá para mudar aqui a sequência, tá? Só dá para fazer assim. Our dad drives very well. Prefers to, she, comma, question mark, cooking. She, driving, doesn't. Uh-oh, what is this? This is question tag. Very good. She prefers cooking to driving, doesn't she? Now, coloca a negativa na frente. Como é que fica? She. Fantastic. She doesn't prefer cooking to driving, does she? Very good, very good. Lembrando, né, que se colocar o doesn't, o verbo perde o S, right? Right. A doesn't recipe even she need. She doesn't even need a recipe. Aqui foi de mão beijada, né? Uma frasezinha do texto. Igualzinha. She doesn't even need a recipe. Ela nem precisa de uma receita. Right? Perfect. Então, como é que foi aí? Acertaram tudo? Se erraram alguma coisa, não esquenta a cabeça, é normal. É normal, todo mundo erra. Estuda mais um pouco, capricha e depois volta para a gente começar a unidade nova. See y'all later, alligators!